Hey there, welcome to my room at the Wynn. Come on in. When you first walk into the room, the bathroom is to your left, where you have a standing shower and a bathtub, 2 sinks, and all the amenities you could need, including a robe with a separate room for the toilet. Call housekeeping to get their slippers too. As you enter the bedroom, I stayed in a room with 2 double beds, this amazing view, and then across from the beds is where a table and chairs are with the TV. But let's get closer to what's here. There are glasses hidden in a drawer, but be cautious of these snacks and amenities and the minibar because if you move anything for more than 30 seconds, you will be charged. So if you need a mini fridge for the extent of your stay, you can request one for an additional fee. I love that there was an Alexa in the room for me to use. I had her play music for me, but I mostly used her for this feature.
Alexa, open the blinds.
I mean, it just doesn't get better than this. There's also an iPad next to the beds, and this is going to be your go-to control for anything in the room and to help you be in the know of what's happening at the hotel. From my room on the 35th floor, you can see the pools at the Encore and at the Wynn. Plus, you can see the Sphere and a great view of the Nevada desert. But let's go see more of the property. There are so many food and beverage concepts to enjoy, like Terrace Point Cafe, which I went to regularly for breakfast and lunch. I also had dinner at Allegro one night. Now let's get to the pools. So many locations to choose from with so many lounge chair options, and you can even rent out a cabana space. There's a casino, bar, food, you name it, it's here. From the pools, it's easy to access the Clean Market Drip Lounge, the salon and barbershop, and the spa, along with the fitness center. The Wynn just oozes with luxury and class, but staying there is the only way to truly experience it all. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Wynn Hotel with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun-sized.